Welcome to Zenyo Workforce. In the previous video, we covered how to create and manage plans. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out first. You'll find the link in the description below. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating and managing benefit groups. Before we begin, let's clarify what a benefits group is. A benefits group is a collection of benefit plans organized for easy management. This grouping allows you to bundle specific plans based on employee eligibility, making it simple to assign them for enrollment. Now, let's get started on creating a benefits group. First, click the settings icon. Next, select the benefits menu. Then choose groups from the sub-menu. To add a new group, click the Add Benefit Group button. The process consists of 3 steps: group details, select employees, and select plans. Let's begin with group details. In the group details section, enter the group name. Then, select the deduction frequency from the drop-down in the How often will deductions happen field. Here I am choosing weekly. After completing these steps, click the Next Step button to continue. Now, let's choose the employees for this group. Remember, each employee can only belong to one group at a time. If you move them, they'll lose the benefits from their previous group. To select a single employee, locate their name in the list. And click the single right arrow. This action will move them to the selected employees box. If you need to undo a selection, click the employee's name. And then click the single left arrow to remove them. If you want to select all employees at once, click the drop-down menu where the default option, All Employees, will be selected. Then, click the double right arrow to add all employees to the group. To undo a bulk selection, simply click the double left arrow. Additionally, you can filter employees by office location, department, role, or employee type. Once you've finalized your selection, click the Next Step button to move on to selecting plans. Next, let's choose the plans for this group. After selecting a plan, you'll need to enter the eligibility date for the employees in this group, as well as the associated costs for each coverage option. In the Select Plans section, there are 2 parts: Available Plans and Selected Plans. The Available Plans section displays a list of active plans, while the Selected Plans section shows the plans you have selected for this group. To select a plan from the available plans, click the Add icon. In this example, I'm selecting a plan with coverage at the standard rate type. First, you need to decide how employees will become eligible for the plan from the drop-down menu. You can choose when it is marked manually, which means the company adds employees to the plan based on specific criteria. Another option is immediately upon hire, where employees are automatically enrolled in the plan as soon as they are hired, without a waiting period. You can select after a waiting period, which requires employees to complete a specified amount of time before they are enrolled. Lastly, there's the first of the month after a waiting period, meaning enrollment begins on the first day of the month after the waiting period ends. In this case, I'm choosing after a waiting period and entering the number of days. Once the waiting period is over, the employee's plan will become eligible. In the What is the cost per pay period section, the company's cost will vary based on the chosen deduction frequency. For plans with coverage at a standard rate, if you choose a monthly deduction frequency, the total amount will be automatically displayed in the plan coverage section. For other deduction options, the amount needs to be adjusted manually. Since I've selected a weekly deduction frequency, I'll enter the employee cost for each coverage level to match the total cost, making any necessary adjustments. Once that's done, click the Save button to finalize the changes. After saving, the selected plans will appear in the Selected Plans section. For adding plans without coverage, simply choose the eligibility criteria for the benefits group and click Save. Note, for plans without coverage and plans with coverage at a variable age-based rate, contribution amounts will be added when you enroll an employee in the plan through the Benefits tab on the Employee Information page. To edit or remove a plan, click the Edit icon or the Remove icon as needed. Make sure to click Save and Finish once all changes are completed. With that, you've successfully created a benefits group. After creating the group, it will be displayed on the Benefits Group page. To make changes to the benefits group, click the More Options icon associated with the group. Here, you have several options. Click Edit to add or remove employees. Click Clone to create a duplicate of the group. Or click Delete to remove the entire group. To add a plan or modify existing ones in a group, click the Plans link within the Benefits group. Here, you can edit a plan by clicking the Edit icon next to it. If you wish to remove it, click the Remove icon. Alternatively, you can click the Add Existing Plan option, select a plan from the drop-down menu, and then click Save to add it. That's it. Now you know how to create and manage benefits groups in Zenyo Workforce. By organizing benefit plans into groups, you can efficiently manage employee eligibility and streamline the enrollment process. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.